This is the Kohler 1000833 CP trip lever assembly kit. Now this kit is designed for the Kohler models 3360, 3612, and 14230. So this kit will include the lift assembly itself in the chrome finish, which is that CP. And you've also got the base nut and the washer that are used to secure it to the toilet tank cover. So it also comes with this little instruction guide here on how to install it. You've also got that cool little picture breakdown there. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each of the pieces here, starting with the trip lever itself. And we are going to measure just total height, so we're going to measure from the end of the rod here all the way up to the tip. See if we can get it to line up there. It'll be a little hard to be exact, but this is the longest point, so it's going to measure right at about 5.5 inches. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. And then we'll also just measure from here to the top. That's going to be right at 5 inches. And then from here to the bend, that bend's about 2.25 inches long. And then the total length down to the bend, you got about 4.5 inches to that bend. Now we've got an extra base nut and washer here, so we'll just measure these. Now, this is a hex nut. It's got those internal female threads. So outer diameter of that nut, it's going to be right at about just above 1/2 inch. And then the outer diameter of that base or washer, it's going to be right at about 1.25 inches. Once again, this is the Kohler 1000833 CP trip lever assembly.